Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another train from the UK here, and we're going to be building this British Rail Class 158 DMU in an East Midlands Railways paint scheme. And this is what it looks like here. And I've just done the 2-car version here. So let's get right into the build now. So we're going to start off on the front end with a Blackstone brick stair, and we're going to place one forward-facing stair in the middle, then an upside-down, outward-facing stair on either side of it. So it looks like that. Behind this, 3 Blackstone brick top slabs in the middle, then a fence gate on each rail. Behind that, we're going to put another 8 wheel on each rail, and then a deep slate brick top slab in between the wheels. Then behind this, a deep slate brick block in the middle, and then a bottom slab on either side. Then 3 blocks in the middle. Then 1 block in the middle, and a bottom slab on either side. Then 3 blocks again, then 1 block in the middle, and a bottom slab on either side. Behind this, another set of netherite wheels on each rail with a top slab in the middle. Put a fence gate on the back of these wheels, and then go through and put a wither skeleton skull on all 4 of these wheels here. Then we're going to open a dark oak fence gate here and here. Same thing on this side. Then put a grindstone here and a closed fence gate here on the center and on this side. Then we'll come behind this. Right behind these fence gates, we're going to do a 3x3 of polished blackstone block in the middle. Then skip 1 block back so there's a gap of space and another 3x3 of polished blackstone block. Then on the sides of each of these, put 3 upside down Blackstone brick stairs on each one. And then same thing on this side here. Then we're gonna come on bottom right behind this, and we're gonna crouch and put 2 inward facing dragon heads on each rail like this. Then right behind that, we're gonna do 2 rows of 3 polished deep slate walls in the middle. And then we're gonna go to Blackstone brick slabs here, right behind it, and do a 3x3 of top slabs on the center, then 4 slabs right down the middle behind it. On the side here, put 4 grindstones on either side of this. Then, right behind this, we're going to put a dark oak fence gate sideways on each rail. Behind that, another 8 wheel on each rail, and a deep slate brick top slab in the middle. Then a deep slate brick block in the middle, and a bottom slab on either side of it. Then 3 wide of blocks, 1 in the middle, then a bottom slab on either side. 3 wide of blocks again, 1 in the middle, a bottom slab on either side. Behind this, another set of netherite wheels, top slab in the middle, and a fence gate on the back of these 2 wheels. Then go through, put a wither skeleton skull on all 4 netherite wheels back here. Then we're going to open a fence gate here and here. Same thing on this side. Then we're going to put a grindstone here and here, and a sideways fence gate on the middle here and here. Then come down behind this rear truck with our Blackstone brick slabs again. And in the middle, right behind these fence gates, we need a 3x3 of top slabs up here. Then we're going to do our second layer. So take out polished blackstone block, come up to the front, right on top of the front here, and go 3 wide on the top middle with polished blackstone block. And we're just going to go ahead and start bringing that down on the top middle 3 blocks. And keep it coming here. Come right across the back truck, all the way to the back of these slabs back here. Then on this back middle block up here, put a polished deep slate wall and a sideways fence gate on either side of it. And we're going to repeat on the front end, so come up to the front, a fence gate on each side up here, and a wall in the middle. Then, on top of the front here, put 5 upside down outward facing red nether brick stairs. Same thing, 5 red nether brick stairs upside down here. Behind it, we're going to do 2 upside down acacia stairs on either side. Then we're going to go to the back end, starting on the back up here, do 4 upside down warp stairs on either side, and then 2 acacia stairs upside down on either side. And then finally across the middle, just do a full row of upside down outward facing warp stairs up here. And repeat on this side and do a full row of upside down outward facing warp stairs on this side of the top as well, going end to end here. And now that layer's done, and we're going to come back up and work from the front end here. Across the front here, we're going to put 5 red concrete, then 3 trapdoors here, a bamboo door in the middle, 2 yellow concrete on either side of the door, and above that a 2x2 of black stained glass blocks on either side. Then a yellow concrete above the door and 3 on the top middle. Come up and over the door with black stone brick walls like this. Then come behind this on either side. On bottom, we're going to do 2 rows of 4 red concrete on each side. Then we're going to put 1 red concrete on all 4 of these corners and 2 black stained glass panes on the middle of each side. Then up here, 4 red concrete on top of each side. Then we're going to come down here and put a dark oak sign here. And then repeat on the other side and do a dark oak sign right here. Then on this side here, put 3 red banners in a column here and 3 red banners right here. Come behind this on the bottom of each side, 2 orange concrete, then 2 acacia doors on each side. Then above the doors, 2 orange concrete on the top of each side. Then we're going to come on bottom behind this here on each side, and we'll do a single column of 2 red concrete each. Then we're going to do an orange concrete and a red. Then we're going to do a white concrete and an orange. Then 2 white concrete in a column on each side. Behind that, a blue concrete, then a white. Behind that, 2 rows of 3 blue concrete on each side. Then behind this, we're going to do a single line of blue concrete all the way across these warp stairs. 2 orange concrete here, 4 blue here. Repeat it over here. So 4 blue, 2 orange here, and a row of blue across this. Then up here, we'll do a line of white concrete to the back of this blue. And then 4 white concrete on the back here. Repeat over here, so 4 white concrete here, and then a row of white across this. On these gaps above the orange concrete, put 2 acacia doors on each side. Next, we're going to come up on these front corners behind the front doors here. And we're going to put a red concrete here and here, then a blue concrete here and here. Put a birch button on the side of each blue concrete. Then we're going to do our windows, and we're just going to alternate 2 black stained glass panes and a blue concrete between each one, and start doing that, coming all the way down here. Bring it right down to the back, and back here, just add 2 more blue concrete by the door. Then a birch button here. Then come to this side and just repeat your pattern of blue concrete directly across to this side, making sure to put a button by that door. And then of course, fill all your windows in with 2 black stained glass panes each. Then we're going to come back here. Behind these doors on each side, we're going to put a single blue concrete, then a deep slate tile wall, then 2 blue concrete, then a button here and a birch button here. Then come on top of the back, put 4 white concrete up here on each side, and then 2 orange concrete above the door on each side. Then we're going to move up and start from this end. Up here, we're going to do a line of 4 red concrete on each side. Then we'll do 3 orange concrete on each side. And then finally, just come all the way across the top here with white concrete. And of course, repeat on this side, a full line of white concrete up here as well. Just like that. And now we'll come to the back end. Down here, we're gonna put 3 polished deep slate blocks here, 3 dark oak trapdoors right here. Then put a door in the center and surround it with polished deep slate blocks like this. Then out here, surround it with black stone brick walls, coming up each side and over the top. Then we're gonna do the top, so we're gonna come on top of the front, behind this yellow concrete up here, and we're just gonna go 3 wide on the top middle, all with polished deep slate block. And we're just gonna bring that all the way across the top. Just keep it coming here. Bring it right down to this back end here. Then we're gonna take black stone brick stairs, put 2 above this orange concrete on either side. Then 2 iron trapdoors here and here, and a dark oak button here, here, and here and here. Repeat for the front door. So 2 black stone brick stairs above this orange concrete on each side, then 2 iron trapdoors here and here, then a dark oak button here, 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 and here. Then finally on all the rest of this outer edge, wherever we haven't built something, we're just gonna fill it all with outward facing, polished deep slate stairs. And of course, repeat on this side. Everywhere we haven't built something, fill this whole top outer edge with outward facing, polished deep slate stairs here. Now we're gonna come on top, and we're gonna take gray carpet, and we're gonna go 3 wide on the top middle with gray carpet, and fill in anywhere we have not built something with our gray carpet. And we'll go ahead and bring that all the way down to the other end here. And just get down and around all this stuff here, and right down to the back here, just like that. Now we have a bunch of banners to make here. So we're gonna come in to a loom with a blue banner, and we're gonna use orange dye, put a horizontal on the bottom, in the middle, then a white horizontal on top. Then we're gonna do a white banner in blue dye, make the bottom half blue, then put an orange horizontal on the middle and the top. White banner, make the bottom half blue again, orange horizontal on the middle, blue horizontal on top. New white banner, make the bottom half blue, and then a single orange horizontal on the middle. And then we're gonna place these. So we're gonna take this one, put 1 right here. Then 3 of the 2 orange stripe ones. Then 3 of this one. Then we're gonna do 5 of the blue top stripe and 3 of the double orange stripe. Behind that, a full row of this one across to the door and 4 here. And we'll repeat on this side. So we're gonna come up here, place this one here, then 3 of the 2 orange stripe, then 3 of this one, and then 5 of the blue top stripe, 3 of the orange stripe, and this across here. And then make sure you get 4 of this one behind this door. Apparently I forgot to put them on there. Now we have 1 more banner to make the doors look better. So come in with a black banner and orange dye, put a border on it, and make the bottom half orange. And we're gonna crouch and put 2 of these banners over each of the doors, so the doors look more how they're supposed to. Normally I don't care about the doors too much, but acacia doors are so see-through they never look right. Do that for all the doors on this side as well. Then we're gonna come up on the front here. On each bottom corner, put a blank dark oak sign here and here. Then above each one, we're gonna do another dark oak sign with 3 sets of parentheses on each side. Then hit them both with yellow dye and a glowing sec each for the headlights. Next, we'll do the interior, so come on inside here. And we're gonna take out cyan terracotta, and we're just gonna fill this whole floor in 3 wide with our cyan terracotta blocks, and bring that end to end. Right down to this back end here. Then back here, we're going to do a 3x3 of iron blocks here and on this side. Then we'll put a torch here and here. Then in front of the doors, use iron blocks to frame in a door and put a birch door in here with a torch on either side of the front. Then come up in front of these doors, frame in a door with iron blocks here, put a torch on either side. Then frame in a door here, put a torch on either side. Then we can add a door here and a door here. Then we'll come in here, put an upside down polished deep slate stair on either side. One side gets a lever, the other a glow item frame with an end crystal, and then a stair here and here for the driver's seats. Then we'll come back here. Now take whatever stairs you're using for seats and put backward facing stairs every other block, 3 on each side. Then here will be tables, so an end rod with a trapdoor on each side. Then turn around in a stair going this way, here and here. We're going to copy it at the other end. So 3 stairs going this way every other block up this side. And then there'll be tables on each side. So another end rod with a trapdoor on each side. Then turn around in a stair going this way, here and here. Then turn around again behind this. And 3 stairs every other block going this way. Turn around, 3 stairs every other block going this way. Then on this center, another table, and we're going to put 2 end rods on each side with 2 trapdoors on each side like that. And now our interior is all completed as well here, and we can of course come back outside. So that completes the build for the single car here. So all we need to do next is use the structure command to copy in, world edit, or just build another one of these cars on the opposite end, but of course facing the other direction. So this completes our build of our Class 158 DMU. I hope everyone enjoyed building this train. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week.